building your IC Network smartphone app. Next thing I want to do is show you a little bit with the text push messages and a little bit of a demonstration with this. In the app back office, this is where you find the place to send text messages. All of that is done through this link here, broadcast to users. So I'm going to click on that link in a minute. Remember, you are on the main page of your app creator. Here's all the pages for editing the pages. Here's all the links for uploading the images. But now we're going to click over here to broadcast to users. When you do this, you'll have this page come up. Anything you type into the box, this is a text message. It will go out when I hit the submit button. So this red line right down here is just warning you of that. Double check your message for spelling errors, that once you hit this submit button, that this cannot be changed. The one thing that you have to remember when you think about text messaging is it's immediate. Something like 95% of text messages are read within 5 minutes of receipt. The newest stats I've seen is that the average smartphone user checks their smartphone screen 150 times a day. So if you are want to reach your customers, or you're working with a client and you're working with a business like Joe's Pizza, and you're explaining to them the importance of using the text messaging. A lot of people set up the app, they never start to build that text message, or I shouldn't say a lot of them, but some businesses don't use this, and this is one of the greatest features of this app. Because of the now text push message system, anybody who can't receive text messages will automatically get this as a push notification. It'll show up by the icon on their screen, and they'll be able to click on that, see that. Another great thing to do when it comes to sending out the text messages through here, especially because people are getting them as push notifications, is check out my alert page and then update. Because the text or push notification is only 140 characters, you can put a limited amount of information here. But you can always direct people, check out page, this page on the app, or, check out my alert, and direct them back to the app to get more information. Another thing that I'm going to be uploaded is a 4-page PDF file that talks about what customers can send as text messages. This is just supposed to start to get the ball rolling when it comes to them thinking about how they can use this. This is something that if you wanted to, you could print out and give to your customer, or actually give out, 1 page or all 4 pages. I've separated it into having information about different types of businesses on different pages. So if you're dealing with a restaurant, bar, bakery, pizza shop, confectionaries, cafes, they might want this information about sending text messages, ideas on what they can send. If you're dealing with service providers, they might just want this page, the second page, and it talks about examples of what they should be sending out, different messages that apply, how to do this. When it comes to professionals, the doctors, the dentists, chiropractors, lawyers, accountants, massage therapists, orthodontists, consultants, veterinarians, all of these groups or types of businesses are people that you can reach out to and talk to them about the app. Show them that app brochure that will be available in your back office soon. Show them this as an idea of how they should be using the service, why they need to be using this service. Businesses need this. They need to be able to reach to their customers. Here's more ideas. This is page 4. Ideas for stores, boutiques, health food stores, specialty stores, consignment, fabric, interior design. All of these, what different things that you can send to them. Every time they are offering new brands, new products, I put items on clearance. They have rainy day specials. There's new styles and trends, design ideas, unadvertised deals, unannounced sales, coupons and discounts. They can add all that in, send out a note by text message. There's also some text push messaging tips here, and so this is going to be available to you both for your own use to start getting those juices flowing, to start thinking about how you can start using text messages, and then also for sharing with your customers so that you can explain to them the value of text messaging, of reaching their customers right on their phones. Now, if you go back to your main menu, down here way at the bottom, you have the edit the pages, you have the upload the images, and then down here you have lead capture results. So if you click on that from your back office, here's where you will see all the people who have registered for getting text or push notifications, who have downloaded the app. With this, as they do that, this list will grow. I put in Joe Smith. It's always good for the owner to put in his own information so that he's also getting a copy of those text messages or push notifications and is able to see what is going out. But businesses can definitely start offering their apps and being able to have those people register, build out that text list. But when people text back to a text message that they've received, then the responses will show up here. I think that's still on the Mirror platform, but they do have that working. It just hasn't been loaded here yet. So that will be available to the app owner. The app owner can log into his app multiple times a day or every day or once a week, send out that text message. All he does is click on that broadcast to users, type it in, hit submit. He can actually even log in right from a smartphone to his back office and be able to complete that and send that out anytime.